and welcome back to my channel, Ara's Life on Budget. Ara here. So guys, a very special video today because all right, first of all let me grab my challenge that we're gonna need today, because guess what, today I decided that we're going to complete this challenge. Yes, I know that we still have all of this going on, but we are completing this challenge today. Why? Because I just finished recording my cash stuffing, and I noticed that I was actually thinking about it, and while I was coloring my other tracker, I noticed that I don't really have a lot left for this challenge right here. I only have, if you sum up all these numbers without considering these ones, if you add up all these numbers, what I have left is only 30 euros, only 30 to go. So I was like, what? I need to put this money in and I need to finish. So I decided that I don't care. Today in this video we're going to complete this challenge. We're going to put this 30. So we're going to take the money from my wallet. So of course this is money that won't go to mini Mondays this time, but that's fine. It's only for this time, so it's okay. I don't care. I was gonna put this money in this challenge in my mini Monday challenges anyway, so I'm just gonna put the money in and we're gonna complete the tracker right now, so the next time we can start working on it again, because I need to complete this one twice still in order to have what I need for the trip. So we're gonna start again from the 20. But in the meantime, let me get the money that I need. Let me put this out actually. Oh no, I hit the microphone, sorry. So let's see, let's take a 20 from here, because I don't need 20s anyway. Let me open this one. Let's put the 20 in. All right, I think, yes, you can see. So 20 in here. And let's take a 10 from here. All right, perfect. A 10 came out on its own. All right, perfect. So we have the 30 euros that we need, and just to make sure, let's add it up together. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. It's 30 euros total. Nice, perfect. So guess what? Yes, we're completing. I don't know if I want to put the money in here because I don't have the right denominations, so I'm just gonna grab a couple of random envelopes and I'm just gonna put them in, because I know that the total is 30 anyway, so I'm just gonna put that in. One in here. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So exciting, we finished this another time. So now guess what, of course we're gonna unstuff this and see what we have. It should be 210, so we have to make sure that we have all of it. But first let me color in the numbers here. So we did 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. I don't know if you can tell because the light is weird for some reason, but yeah, this is complete. I don't complete the last 4 numbers. Yay. So off camera I'm gonna color this tracker as well, but in the meantime let's start unstuffing. So let me take them all out actually. Let's see. So we have the 4 that we just did here, the 7. I think this is going to be all 10s and 20s. Oh no, we have some coins as well. Nice, because I can condense them and keep the coins for the mini Mondays. We have a 9. Oh god, I'm so excited because this challenge, I mean, if you watch my videos, then you know how hard and how much I'm working on this challenge, trying to complete it in time. This trip is really getting all my money and all my energies mentally and physically. It's crazy because it's such a big trip that I need to have a lot of money, you know. We're gonna be there for 2 weeks, so of course I want to make sure that I have enough. And yeah, so I'm trying my best here to, you know, collect all the money that I need. I have a pretty big budget for this trip. So we are at 15. Oh, got so many 5s. I'm so happy because I need 5s. Oh, 5. We have 16 here, another 5. Yes, this makes me so happy. Another 5 here, another 10, 17. 17. Let's see. Oh, wow. It's so exciting. 18. I can't wait to put this all in the envelope because the envelope is already very beefy. So when we put this money in, it's gonna be even more exciting, and I can't wait. Oh, 19, which got 20. Yes, I remember that. And 20, which got 20. Nice. So the envelopes are all done. So now let's get to count. So this is what we have so far. Ooh, plus all these coins, which is probably gonna be, you can see them, they're all in here. Let me take them out. Let's see. This is gonna be noisy, I'm sorry. All right, so let's put let me divide them in 5s actually, so that it's gonna be easier. So this is a 5, this is a 5, and this is a 5, and this is a 3. Can it be? What? 5, 5, 3? This is weird. Weird. Why do I have a 3 here? I don't know. Let's count. Let's see what happened. Okay, so this is the money. Let's see. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 205, 210, which is exactly what we need. So we have 3 euros more for some reason. I don't know where this money comes from, but this is more than what we need. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try make some change for 2 10s, and I'll be right back, and we're gonna put this money in the envelopes. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so exchange for 2 10s. So now let's make sure that this is still 210. I really don't know why I had this money that I didn't need. I must have made a mistake somewhere. So we have 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 210. Perfect. This is exactly what we need. 210 all here. So now onto the exciting part. Let's take the envelope, which is in here, and let's add the money in. Oh, wow, this makes me so excited because this envelope is gonna be, wow, exploding for sure. So let's see. I think I'm gonna have to condense it a bit more, although I already have a lot of 50s in here, but still, let's see. So let's add the 20 in, and then the 10s and the 5s. Oh, wow. Wow, this is it. I don't know if you can tell. This is the money. All of it, actually. All the money. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. See the gradient? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's get to counting and let's see how much we have so far. We have 51. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 100. I'm going to put here 700, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000. 1000 is all here. And now let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, oopsie, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 80. So 1,280 euros all in here. Wow, 1,280 so far. Oh, this is unbelievable. This is amazing. It's so beautiful when you can see, you know, all the results of your struggles and your attempts, and you know, it's beautiful. It's amazing. It's amazing. I can't wait to have this all complete. It's gonna be fabulous. So let's put the chunk of money in. This is gonna be very difficult to fit in this envelope, but we're gonna try. And yeah, wow, look at that. I'm not even gonna attempt at closing it because I know that it won't happen, but this is beautiful. So guys, that is all that I had for you today. I'm gonna update the main tracker of camera, which is this one. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. It was so exciting. Yeah, this is all that I had for you today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to the channel. And if you decide to stick around, then I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Hi everyone, so I'm back and I'm adding something to the video because I wanted to go through this thing with you because I noticed that there was a mistake in my tracker, and I originally wanted to fix it off camera, but then I thought I should probably do it on camera. And the reason why I want to do it with you on camera is because you can tell me if I'm actually wrong or if I'm right, because at this point I'm so confused. I don't know. So let me grab the calculator. You would think that I would have that ready next to me, but no, I didn't. So here's the calculator. So what I noticed is that the tracker is actually off by about 100 euros. And I want to go through it with you because I want to make sure that that is actually the case and that I'm not just, you know, coming up with stuff just because my mind decided to. But anyway, because, you know, yesterday while I was going through the video to edit it, it kind of popped into my head the thought, I should probably make sure that this is correct, because the way I go through this challenge is very quick. You know, I go through 1 row, 2 rows at the time, so it's very likely that I can make mistakes sometimes, especially because while I do this, I'm also doing other challenges on the side. So it can happen, you know, that you make mistakes, and that is what I noticed. So what I'm gonna do is I want to go through all that I've saved together with you, and we can make sure that we don't have mistakes, and if we do, that we correct them in the right way. So the way I started it was I decided to count everything that I had saved since the very beginning of this challenge. Let me see where it is, if you can see. I think on here you can see the numbers better. So what I did was I counted how many rows. So we had 13 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 rows completed, and each row equals 210 euros, right? So just to make sure, I'm gonna go very quickly. I've done this so many times and now I'm like a robot. Yes, 210 is the amount for each one of these rows. So 210 multiplied by 13, I should have saved a total of 2,000, I don't know if you can see, 2,730 euros. But by counting what I actually have in total, I counted 2,830, so we are off by 100 on this tracker. So I want to make sure that that is the case. So I'm gonna grab the money. I don't have that money anymore, but I'm gonna use prop money so that you can see, which equals the amount that I saved for the plane, for the ticket, and then I'm gonna take whatever I have in here, and we're gonna make sure that we are actually off. So I have them ready here in my travel binder, so let me grab those. There you go. Sorry, I have a bit of allergy this morning. It is driving me insane. Okay, so this is the amount that I saved for the tickets, the flight tickets. So we have 1,200, 400, 550. So 1,550 is what I saved for the flight, okay? Plus what I have in here saved, currently saved for the second half of the, oh my god, what's going on here, of the challenge. So let's count this now. I have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 100, and 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000. So 1000 here, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 100 is here, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 200. So we're already over, and I'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1,280 is what I have here. If I add all of this 1,280 to the 1,550 that I saved previously, the amount that I get is 2,830, which is exactly 100 euros over what this tracker says. Do you agree? Or am I tripping? Like, am I coming up with stuff, right? So yeah, because if 2,800 I take out 1,550, I have 1,280, which equals to this. If to this number right here, yes, I take off the amount that I saved for the ticket, I have 1,180. So yeah, the difference is exactly 100 euros. I'm over by 100 here. So I have to color more, right? Because 1,280 plus 1,550 divided by 210 equals 13.47. So it means that these two together equal 13 rows, which is what I have, and that is correct. 0.47. So it means that I'm over the 13 rows. Why is it so difficult to speak English today? It means that I'm over. So let's see, if I'm off by 100, then it means that, oh god, this is so difficult, 1,180. In order to reach 1,280, I can color in a 20, a 19, an 18, a 17, yes, a 16, and a 10. Yes, and that would be correct. I don't know if you can see. I hope you can. So I can color in all the way to 16, which is amazing, plus a 10. Is that correct? Like, am I doing this correctly? Do you agree with what I'm saying? And this is why I wanted to do it on camera, because I don't know anymore. I feel like I'm going crazy. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna color everything, and then I'm gonna let you tell me if this is correct. And then I think I'm gonna do something about this money, because I don't want to get confused anymore. So I'm gonna color that and be right back. Okay, so now according to what I thought, this is this should be the correct tracker. Again, let me know if you agree with this, if this is right, because yeah, it means that we are already working on the next row without even realizing. So what I'm gonna do, since I don't want to get confused anymore, I think I'm gonna take the 100 out of here, and I'm gonna put it together with the challenge that I'm completing. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because this way I can keep track and I don't get confused anymore. So I'm gonna take out 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So right now in here we should have 1,180. Let me make sure. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, right? 20, 40, no, 8, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000. So 1000 should be 180. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is correct. So this is 100 correctly. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the challenge that I'm completing, the Sloth Challenge that we just unstuffed together. Let me take that, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this money to fill in these envelopes so that while we work on this challenge we can keep track and we can consider this money as part of this challenge. I don't know if that makes sense to you, the way I'm doing this, but it's just so that I don't get confused, because this is getting confusing and, you know, I don't want to keep on making mistakes. So these should all equal 100 if counted together. So 20 plus 19 plus 18, 17, 16, and 10. That is 100. So this is correct. But I don't have the right denominations for each one of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to divide the money, because this equals 100. I have 100. So 20 here, 20 here, 20 here, 20 here, 10 and 10. This is the way I'm gonna do this, and hopefully when we go and unstuff this money again, we won't have any mistakes. Because the last time I had 3 euros more, and oh, this is new, I don't want to fold it, and now I'm kind of, you know, wondering if this mistake was due to the fact that I had that 3 euros over. I don't know, I really don't know anymore. All I know is that I want to complete this challenge and I want to live for this trip. I really want to go on this trip. I really want to enjoy it. And, you know, I also want to start saving for other things. You know, I've been saving for this trip for like months already now. I think I started saving for this trip ever since I started working. Ever since I got a job, this has been my main priority. And I got my job in March last year. So it's been exactly 1 year, actually over a year now, that I've been working on this non-stop. And I have so many other things that I want to save for. So for as much as I want to go on this trip and for as much as I can't wait to go, and I'm having fun actually doing it, I'm also, you know, at that point when I'm tired of this and I just, you know, want to get over it. Oh God. I want to get it over with and I want to move to the next thing, you know, because I want to start saving for, you know, 1 month ahead at least of expenses for when I finally found my own place. I want to start saving for a car of my own. I want to start saving for when I finally move out in the future. You know, there are so many things that I want to save for, and I need the money for that. And I also want to save, you know, for future trips as well, because I want to go on multiple trips, but this is taking all my energies and I can't do that. But anyway, so this is actually the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this wasn't too confusing. Let me know if this is correct, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video, which I think it's gonna be a budget with me video, so be on the lookout for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.